because like, I know, but I was in this like stupid thing of being like scared of him just not wanting to shoot me. Like obviously I needed people to know I had a job in forever. Like it's just ridiculous.
Yeah, but then okay, so how long did it take?
What? I just need to like go through it because I honestly, it was like all a bit of a blur actually. So it was like in front of the camera and everything's fine, right? Like we're shooting and like he's like being really positive. Like it was getting a bit weird some of the positions, but I was like whatever. And he was like
Positions?
and I was like okay, yeah, I'll walk around the back of the So yeah, then he wanted me to look at the pictures. So I went round to his side of the camera and it was so weird. Like he just so slowly put his hand around my back.
Why didn't you call me?
Well, obviously I wasn't
Yeah,
going to call
like
you.
I
Like,
met
couldn't
over
stop.
that
This is the problem.
training
This is
week.
what I'm having in my head.
Yeah,
I can't move.
I was
It's
falling
like,
around like for the
I
whole
should
week.
have obviously done something. I should have stopped.
So like,
it, but I
park
just-
that there for a second,
I
okay?
needed
Cut forward 2 months later.
the shoot. Like,
Do you remember that
I've
girl,
been waiting so long
Jane,
for that.
whose number I was trying to get off
Am
you?
I wrong? No, it wasn't wrong. Like I obviously.
Yeah.
Of course you're not wrong.
Yeah, before you got to
I-
Australia,
I-
before he gave it me. Right, so I sent her a message. Grand.
I just feel like
We'll go for a few
silly.
drinks,
I feel
right?
silly,
Now,
that's
we're
how I
having
feel.
drinks. She's
It's
asking me, like,
just
where do you work? I say, I work at Casey's, and she says, no way. I was chatting to a guy, like, 2 weeks ago who said he worked for Casey's. I was like, okay, interesting.